Now this one is actually the virtual spec trying on with the camera. Can you see that? I'm looking into the camera and I can see myself with different glasses, with different lenses and the frame. So we can do that as well. We have done that previously with my still picture, but you can do that with the camera live, right? So let's see how I can do that. Nothing is to be changed much. Let's see the code. I just added, let me turn the video off so that I can tell you about it. Alright, so you can see I have added the extension over here, which is add extension, and you need to add the camera. So video sensing you will add, right? Once you add this one, you have different blocks over here. I have taken, like, when the flag is clicked, the transparent has to be 0. If you take 100% transparency, it means your video will be 100% transparent, means your picture will be invisible. 100% transparent it is going to be. Then when you want to click on the flag, you want the video to turn on, and once the video is turned on, what do you need to do is, you want, first of all, this is the same code, rest is same. So, and instead of my picture, I am taking myself live, so I have deleted my picture as a sprite from here, right? Let's see if I can adjust this. So simply the spec sprites is there. So when I click on the flag, I have to turn the camera on, and when one video motion is going to be greater than 10%, these are going to switch. That's it. So I hope that you will further enjoy it, and you can test it with any of the member of your family now. Even if you're with your friends, you do not have to change the picture. So that's live and virtual. And if you have any suggestions, any comments, of course, there is a comment section below. You can comment over there. And if you like the video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.